Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x Learning. Today, let's see how to handle your missing values in a data set. Okay, because in data analysis process, there are various methods to find the missing values. So we will be using ChatGPT. It will give the best method, the apt method. Also, we'll be using Google Colab and Python for this data analysis. Okay, let's go into our coding part.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
So here is the data. Okay, as you have seen, this is the salary, and you can see there are two values missing, right? We need to find the missing values. So, and these are the outliers. Okay, I have given less data so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, so these are the data. So we need to fill the value. Okay, so whether which mode it is using, we will be using ChatGPT to answer us. Okay, because there are various methods. We will see what method the ChatGPT is giving us. Okay, so I will be like I'll be adding the data set. Okay, I am attaching the data set. Now I'll be prompting. Okay, I'll make such that data attached above and give a Python code as how to handle the missing values for, this is the salary column, right? If I'm not wrong, this is salary column. Okay, missing values for salary column for data analysis. Okay, explain the method. I need the method also. Okay, let's see what the ChatGPT is giving. It is analyzing. Okay, this data set consists of a single column salary which contains numerical value. There are missing values indicated by NaN, not a number. To handle the missing values like salary column for data analysis, there are several approaches. So imputation with mean, median, and mode. Okay, so it has given, and let's see. And it is given. Let's explore the distribution of salary column to decide which imputation method is suitable. So among the three, now the ChatGPT is checking which will be the best method. Okay, let's wait. So it has given us the graph also. Okay, so the distribution appears to be right skewed. Okay, so with a few values. So at last, if you look over here, it is giving you, it would be more appropriate if you use the median. Okay, so among the three, mean, median, and mode, it is adjusting for median. Okay, because there are outliers, and what it is saying is also correct. Okay, the distribution appears to be right skewed. Okay, and the mean salary is approximately, but the values are rightly skewed upwards. So the median, so the salary is 58,000. Okay, so it is giving, let's see the code. Okay, I will ask the code. Okay, give the Python code for the above. It has given the informations. Okay, that you also can use and you can check it, because mostly it is giving for us, we need to solve via median method. That is the one it is suggesting. So it is giving us the code. By the meantime, one important update kid. Okay, so as you all aware that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave. So AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. All the installation steps and other AI tools will be explained detail in our Be10x program. So make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so it has given the code, but for understanding, go to this Be10x Insight. Okay, there are, you can see the upcoming workshops like AI tool workshop, office using. So go over here register. Okay, it will take you to that. Yeah, so learn to use AI tools and ChatGPT. So when will be the next? And you can see why to join this course, and you can get all the details. What will you learn in this workshop? So definitely it will help you. So don't miss to join the workshop. Okay, so now let's go back to our code. So it has given the code import pandas to PD, and it has given the file path. Okay, and is given so the median salary how it has been calculated, and replacing the missing values with the median. Okay, so if you are into data analysis, you might be knowing what is median and more. So here, since there are outliers and it is rightly skewed as it said based on this diagram, so it is suggesting that is true. Okay, so then it is giving the values. Okay, so I'm just copying this code. I'll be going to this Google Colab. This is the place where the file is there. So I'm copying the location. Okay, and the file will be like this is the file name. Okay, so this is the file path. Okay, and I have imported this pandas. And if you want to get the details about it, you can ask the ChatGPT, please explain the code. It will give the exact description of this code. It will help you to understand well. Okay, guys. So I am better, instead of head, I'll be printing other thing also. Print data. Okay. So that head means only the 5 details will be there. And I need the entire data. Okay. So it is giving, if you want to export it to the Excel sheet, to a new Excel sheet, it has given what to do. It has given, we should remove the comment part, and we should give a new file name. It will be, and we should give this exact path over here. It will write it. Okay. Now let's execute. Okay. So there is just hold on. There is a problem in the no such file directory. Let's see whether, okay, it's there. Let's see, there may be small gap. It's the location issue, guys. Okay, not a big thing. We'll see. Yeah. Okay, because there is a small gap now, guys. That's the thing. Okay, so that also it is taking. What I did is I removed the gap actually, so it is throwing the issue. Not a big deal. Okay, so it has come. So this is before how it was the salary, and this is after. Okay, so how it has come, salary is equal to, so if I look over here, this is 5,000, 52,000. So here after the 51,000, we are having the missing values, right? What it has done after 51,000, it has made it to 58,000. Okay, that is median. Okay, we will ask how the median has come. Okay, we will ask how it is. And the next part where it is after 59,000, there is an empty value, right? So after, so here also it has made 58,000. Okay, so this is the way, okay, of how we use the median to calculate the missing values. Okay, so this is one of the important step in data analysis. We cannot use mean on this type of places where there are outliers or skewed data. Okay, so this is the way we will ask ChatGPT explain median with the simple example. The median is a measure of central tendency, which is a way to describe the center of a data set. Okay, so that means center. For normalization purpose, we'll be using this. Okay, so it is giving you the median is the middle value in the list of numbers. Okay, so it is giving, see, what is this is age. Okay, 23, 29. Examples, you suppose you have a set of number representing, for instance, the ages of groups of people 23, 29, 31, 50. Okay, so it is telling arrange the numbers in numbered order. Okay, so that means in ascending order. Okay, and find the middle of the number. Since there are 7 numbers and odd number, the median will be the 4th. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. This is the center, right? Because here 3, here 3. So 35 is the median for this. The median. Okay, so let's consider a set of numbers where even numbers are there. Okay, so odd is fine. Okay, if we count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, easily we found. Let's see how it will be for even. Okay, because here also 3, 6 these are all 6 digits. Okay, so 6 numbers are here, here another 3, here another 3. So how it is finding means, so it is taking the middle 31 plus 35. Okay, find the middle value. There are 6 numbers. The median will be the average of the third and fourth numbers. So you take the average of 31 and 45 by 2, 33. So the median of this is 33. So this is the way to find the median. Okay, so in case of any data analysis, you can use ChatGPT to find how to find the missing values, or any of your issues you can ask. It will definitely give the answer. And if you want to break the problems also like this, you can come to know. Okay, because in sometimes in other channels, it may not give you exactly, because when a person is giving the demo, he will not make to understand everyone, right? So in these type of cases, ChatGPT can be your best companion tool. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye bye.